In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate and register your Lycamobile Netherlands SIM card. If you've just picked up a Lycamobile SIM in the Netherlands, this guide will take you from unopened package to a fully working line for calls, texts, and data. You'll need your phone, the Lycamobile SIM, a stable internet connection for the registration step, and a valid form of identification. Start by inserting the SIM into your phone and powering it on. Use the correct SIM size. Most phones use nano SIMs, and carefully place it in the tray with the metal contacts facing down. If your phone is dual SIM, choose the slot you prefer for mobile data. Make sure your device is unlocked for use with Lycamobile. If it's carrier locked, contact your previous provider to unlock it. Once your phone is on, give it a moment to find the network. You'll see the signal bars and the carrier name appear. This can take a few minutes the first time. You should also receive a text message with your new mobile number. If the signal doesn't show up right away, toggle airplane mode on and off or restart the phone to refresh the connection. When that SMS arrives, save your new number somewhere safe for future reference. Because of Dutch regulations, you must register your SIM online before you can fully use it. Open a browser and go to the Lycamobile Netherlands website, then find the page for registering your SIM. It's quick and it ensures your number is tied to your identity as required in the Netherlands. On the registration page, you'll be asked for your SIM serial number, also known as the ICC ID, and your personal ID. The ICC ID is printed on the SIM card and often on the plastic card it came in. It's a long number, enter it carefully. For personal identification, use a valid document such as a passport, national ID, or residence permit, and make sure the details match exactly. Complete the form, review your entries, and submit. After you finish registration, give the system a moment to process. You may receive a confirmation message. At that point, your SIM is fully active and ready to make calls, send texts, and use mobile data. If data doesn't work immediately, restart your phone, ensure mobile data is enabled, and let the network automatically configure your settings. Consider topping up credit or selecting a Lycamobile bundle that suits your needs, and you're all set. That's it. Your Lycamobile Netherlands SIM is now ready to go. Enjoy your connection and keep your SIM details and ID handy for any future account changes.